Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to be happy. How to be happy? I cannot stop smiling. That is a sign of happiness, but how do you get into that state? The best thing to do is stuff that makes you happy. Whether that involves declogging hair from your bathroom sink, or going to the laundrette, or paying for house rent. Everybody is different, so different things will make different people happy. I would recommend finding things that make you happy in particular, otherwise you'll end up watching this tutorial over and over again, and that probably won't make you happy at all. What makes me happy? That's a great question. There are thousands of things that make me happy, such as eating chocolate, that's something, and sleeping. I really like to do that. That's a very happy hobby. And other things include, well, there's thousands of things, as I mentioned. I can't think of them at the top of my head though, because it's a lot of pressure. It's a pressurized question, and thinking tends to make me quite unhappy, so I think we'll move on. I'm now going to try and help you to become happy by giving you examples of things that could potentially make you happy. So here is just a random item. Here we have some suntan cream. Is this making you happy at all? It's making me happy. Maybe it will do the same for you. If that hasn't made you as happy as you thought it would, then perhaps this will. It's a pen. Does this make you happy at all? Makes me happy as well. It's really happy. What about this? It's a used tissue. That could make you quite happy. You never know. Perhaps none of those objects made you happy. I don't know why they wouldn't, but if they didn't, then maybe this commercial will make you happy. Have you ever wanted to be happy? Do you want to know the secrets on how to achieve happiness? Yes, please. Are you ready to learn everything you need to know to be happy? Yes, I am ready. Are you sure? Yes, tell me. Then you will need this ball. Wow! With this ball, you'll never be sad again. With its sleek design and incredible features, such as rolling, you'll never be sad ever again. I was miserable and an emotional wreck before I discovered this ball. Now it has changed my life for the better, and I cannot stop smiling. Get yours today if you want to be happy. Happiness not guaranteed, but injury likely. This is not an official advert. The ball can be very dangerous if misused. Do not use as a toy for recreational purposes. Do not hold the ball. Do not throw the ball. Do not touch the ball. Do not eat the ball. Terms and conditions apply. Batteries sold separately. Wow! Who would have thought that something so simple would make someone so happy? But there we go, the truth is out now. Make sure to spread the word. I'm going to go off now and be happy. I hope you can do the same. So I'll catch you all later and see you. I can be happy.